Hello, first graders. I'm going to go over a few worksheets for today. We're going to I'm going to tell you what we're going to look at so you know what we're doing. We're looking at the guided class practice 129B. We're going to look at that. And then we're also going to look at your seat work pages, which looks like this, and also your writing page. And also your class fact practice. So that's the first thing we're gonna do. I wanna go over the class fact practice, which it should look like this when I share my screen. You can take out guided class practice 129B. It's the back of what you did yesterday. So here's what it looks like. This is what I see on my screen. Hopefully you see it now too. Oh, we don't need that. We'll do this part. Don't mind Bailey if you can hear her. She's just singing in the background while she plays with her baby dolls. So this is what your page should look like. And then I want you to take a minute. You can pause the video and then you can come back and look at the answers together. Okay, hopefully you've taken a minute to answer all of them. Now, if you want to check your answers, that'd be good. 8 minus 1 equals 7. 3 minus 2 equals 1. 9 minus 7 equals 2. 5 minus 1 equals 4. 6 minus 5 equals 1. Did you get them all right? Hip, hip, hooray! Okay, next one. 4 minus 2 equals 2. 8 minus 7 equals 1. 6 minus 0 equals 6. 7 minus 5 equals 2. 4 minus 3 equals 1. Okay, let's look at the next row. 7 minus 6 equals 1. 6 minus 4 equals 2. 9 minus 8 equals 1. 5 minus 3 equals 2. 10 minus 7 equals 3. Sorry for that disruption. 8, let's look at the next row. 8 minus 6 equals 2. 10 minus 2 equals 8. 5 minus 4 equals 1. 7 minus 2 equals 5. 10 minus 8 equals 2. Okay, so there's that. And you can take a minute to pause this if you need to check your work. I'm going to take a look at these worksheets with you. Now, I don't have a screen where I can show you the answers like I do on the front of this. So we look at the back, we just look at the answers together, and you'll greatest. So starting with least, you're going to put the smallest one, and you're going to go to the biggest one. Let's see if you can do it on your own. I think you can. And if you need to pause between me reading the instructions and do the section, then do it. If you just want to listen to all of the instructions and then go for it, go right ahead. Mom can also help you, or Dad, and read to you some of the things if you don't remember what they said. Number 2, in room 8, 6 children wore sandals and 10 children wore sneakers. Color the graph to show what shoes the children wore. So 6 sandals, 10 were sneakers. Sneakers are tennis shoes. So here it says sneakers and sandals. So color the graph to show. Bailey, I'll help you in a minute, okay? Color the graph to show. Then down here it says how many more children wore sneakers than sandals? And you have a fill in the blank. How many children are in room 8? So you can add these up. We had 6 and 10. So what is 6 plus 10? Or you can count the boxes that you filled in. Okay, you can find the answers here. I think you can do that. And check your work on that. Then you're adding and subtracting 10 in the next section. So if you need to, you can do something like look at my hundreds number chart, and I'll pop it up here for a second while I'm talking. You can look at my hundreds number chart if you need to in order to answer those, adding 10. There it is. If you need to see it when you're adding 10. The first one is subtracting 10, then it's adding 10, then subtracting 10. So you have it if you need it. You can pause it if you need to. Okay, and then down here, number 5, circle all the shapes that are divided into halves. The halves are 2 equal parts. So I see a couple of them there divided into halves, and it says color 1/2 of each circled shape. And down here at the bottom, find the answers. Some are plus and some are minus. So you're going to divide in between the 1s and the 10s. Pay attention if it's plus or minus, and then do the one side first and then 10 side all the way across. The other thing you're going to do is you're going to take a look at this seat work page. Here's telling how you can help your mother at home. If you can't think of anything, most of you should be able to, because I think most of your moms have you do chores and things like that. If you can't think of anything, look at the picture. Those are some ideas for how you can help at home. I would say most of you have jobs to do at home, though, so you can write about those. 2 sentences. That means 2 capital letters and 2 periods. Okay? Number 2, change the Y to I and add ER or EST. Now, some of these are tricky, and I've seen some of you doing this. You're going to drop the Y and change it to I, but if there's 2 consonants in there, don't drop the consonant. So where it says silly, it's still going to be SILLIER. Okay, don't take away the extra L. All you're doing is dropping the Y. So where, like for instance, where it says cozy, don't add an extra Z. I know we get confused with all those rules, but the practice will help and you'll get it, okay? So just drop the Y, add an I, and then you choose ER or EST. The last thing you're gonna do is your writing page. We're gonna do writing page, I'm pretty sure we did one of them yesterday. I don't remember which now because that was yesterday. If you did this one about hen and chicks yesterday, then you're doing the back of it. It should be, oh wait, no. You haven't done this page yet. I'm remembering now. Sorry, Mrs. Zimmerman. You know, there's Jace. So we're going to do page 163. It is. We're going to do page 163, the story about hen and chicks. And then you'll do the back of it tomorrow. Okay? I know things are getting tough. We're getting close, though. You're getting close to the end. So do your best. Take plenty of breaks if you need to. I love you so much, and I miss you. I've seen some of you, and I'm happy when I see you. I miss seeing you every day. Okay, don't give your mom a hard time. Do the best work you can do, and I'll talk to you later.